Hi there, my name is Mel from the receiving department here at Loewen Windows. Just wanted to share with you another improvement idea that we've made in our area recently. So one of the issues that we were facing was our main receiving dock. When the truck drivers would back in and the overhead door was open, the light from outside made it really difficult for them to see how far over they were, whether or not they were centered to the receiving bay. So one of the improvements we made was we've repainted all of the lines, but we extended the lines so that they run all the way outside and right to the end of the road. So it gives them the view right away on where they need to have their trailer positioned in order to be able to back in straight. The other thing that we did, we found the guarding that used to be here before used to be really more of a thin metal material, I guess, and it had been hit several times by trailers that obviously off-judged how far over they were and ended up crashing into it a few times, so we had to replace that several times. So what we did was we actually put new guarding up that is more stable, better quality, more durable, and yeah, so lo and behold, it's been several months since we made this improvement. I think the biggest part of it is having the lines outside so that the drivers can see right from outside. We haven't had any trailers back into the guarding. We haven't had any hit any of the receiving bay, and yeah, so I'd call that a win of an improvement. Thanks for watching.